Hi, Learning Coaches. Thank you so much for logging in and listening to this recording about how to record in RAZ Kids and the benefits of our RAZ Kids resource. You all should by now be able to enter your student ID to log into the RAZ Kids account. Once you've logged in, there are two accounts. One of them is going to look just like this on your screen, where you're going to either have the writing option or the reading option. You're going to want to select the reading option. And once you've clicked that, if you have an automatic flight check, which we assign to your student once every quarter, those will appear here at this point. Don't click the record button if you're not ready to do the recording because it will automatically start you. So what you can simply do is just click back to the reading area, and you're going to then see these three options. These are the options that the other account will see. I'm not sure why my two accounts are set up differently, but they just are. So if you have that reading room, you'll click the reading room, and then if you don't, this is what you see: the level up, the flight check, or the reading room. The flight check is that recording story that we have assigned to your student. That is going to be where they will just click in there and read, record, tell us what they remember reading, and then do the questions at the end of the story. If there is not a flight check, you won't see this option here. So if you know you see it, then you would definitely want to click it to do that recording, okay? So if you want to do the reading and record a story for us, which we love listening to, we love going in there and listening to your students read, and it's just a great way for them to practice more. So you'll click on this reading room, and you're going to get a definite or a different variety of stories to choose from. I recommend for your students that are doing a great job with their reading right now, going in and selecting either some of the trade books. Those have some quizzes in there that they can choose from. The themed nonfiction stories are good. Shared reading. If your student is struggling, I would recommend some of our decodable books, some of the high frequency word stories also. The read alouds are good too. The classics and closed reading, those are all great. Just go in and play around with them. There's a variety of stories for you guys to choose from, and always keep your student busy. The leveled stories here, I'm going to select. You can choose from all of these different levels of reading. Our first grade students are anywhere between level E, D maybe, and J. So between D and J is where our first grade students are. If you want to record a story, which we love listening to, like I just said, you're going to click on this book icon here. If you click on the headset, it's just going to give you the story out loud. So they're just going to be able to listen to it. So we want you to select the book so that your student can read. You're going to get the book up here. You're just going to be able to clicking next to record the story. And what you're going to do is at the top, there's going to be this little drop down icon up here, the little triangle. You're going to click that, and that's where you're going to see the recording option. You're going to click the recorder, and then you're going to get the option to stop or go back or play. So you're going to, once you start and you click this little circle, it's going to automatically start the recording, okay? When you're done, after you get to the very last page of the story, it will automatically send the recording to the teacher. You don't have to worry about doing anything. Then it's going to give you some stars. I'm going to go and show you how and what to do with those stars. So you're going to go back to the beginning. And at the end, or at the main home screen, you're going to see this star zone. This is where your students can choose to use those stars that they've earned, either building a robot or a rocket. You can check and look at your students' scores here by clicking on this My Stats section also. And if I click back here on this reading option, the level up section is the preset level that we have selected for your student. So every student is either set at that level D or E. So that is where your level up section is going to be placed. If your student has already mastered level, the D or the E level that we've selected for them, then they'll automatically move up to the next level. Okay, so make sure that if you have any questions with anything in RAZ Kids that you reach out to me and let me know so that I'm able to help you and assist you with this. Again, this is a wonderful resource. I really encourage all of you to utilize this at least, I say, 3 times a week. So maybe alternate your days with Study Island, RAZ Kids, Study Island, RAZ Kids. And remember that you can definitely use this on an iPad or iPhones, different mobile devices that will work just as great as the computer. All right, thank you again. Have a great day.